by Shebley Barnett. But what a way Corona she bright. If she want to come to Jamaica, she not come like normal visitor. To enjoy with beautiful island and salt water. No, she want to make people cough and sneeze. And make people afraid to inhale them own a cool breeze. Everybody there in a mask and gloves like them a surgeon. And people afraid shake them one another hand. But Corona are the wrong country at top. Cause we are going to call with prayer warrior. And call with Obia Walker. Corona, we are going to sorry say you come here. We are going to boil garlic and salt. And mix in with curry. Cause we not afraid of not running belly. To pass out your virus in a hurry. We are going to wash with hand regular. Cause we not nasty. And we not going to yam any and anything like what you're doing in your birth country.
Get rid of you.
We are going to get rid of you. You watch and see. You think Jamaica easy? We are God blessed country. You must not see how much things bypass we. Prayer, the blood of Jesus for your Corona. Fire for your Corona. Hunka science for your Corona. You go sorry the day you come to Jamaica.
Aye, aye, aye.